When you're making your scene in OBS, and especially when it comes to your webcam, you're not quite sure if the webcam itself or the camera is exactly straight. Sometimes it looks a little off kilter, but you just can't figure out why. Here's how you can get grid lines in your OBS temporarily so you can make sure that it is straight. So here's my OBS instance, and essentially what I do is I go to the source, click on new source, add a new image, and then under that I create a new image. I called mine grid lines. So I'll be making this document available through my link in my bio. And so once you get the grid lines, you just expand it out, or you can right click and go down to transform and make sure that it fits the screen all throughout the whole screen. Then you go and right click on the source itself, go to filters, then you add a new chroma key filter, and then that's it. So now you have the rule of thirds lines here, and so now I can kind of see the couches. It is straight, but obviously the rug? No, what's that called? Throw blanket? The throw blanket is not straight, so I probably would want to fix that before we get going on that. But that's how you do it.